everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and connect your Ecovacs DEEBOT X2 Omni. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. The first thing you have to do, doesn't matter if you're on iOS or Android, is search your app store for the Ecovacs home app. Get that app downloaded, sign in or create your profile, and let's get this set up. Alright, so we have the Ecovacs home app downloaded on our mobile device. You'll see how our home screen looks right here with the X1 Omni, our current RoboVac, already installed. Yours might look similar if you have other Ecovacs products. They will show up right here, and our X2 will show up right here in just a minute. So to add a new device, in the top right hand corner to the left of the chat icon for the messages, we have this little box with a line through it. That's going to bring up our QR code scanner. And you'll see we're already showing our vacuum detected right there. So if you're just like me, you're able to add it right in there. Make sure your app's up to date too at this step. Or we can scan it with our smartphone, or we can select the robot manually right here. There it is, DEEBOT X2. So scan the code, select it if it's available, or manually add it. So we're going to select it right there. Searching for the robot, just paired to the robot for us. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. So go connect to your local network and make sure it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So we selected our network. It's time to hit next. And you'll see it's working on connecting the robot to your phone. Home Wi-Fi check, server check, everything successful, all set and ready to go. We're going to leave it with the DEEBOT X2 naming. Select continue. Now it's working on downloading. Got a firmware update, so we're going to update the firmware. And then we have some preferences here. Automatic update.
Return to
and then we have our time zone. Voice assistant if we want that on or off.
I'm Nico, your new AI voice assistant from Ecovacs. I will make your home more comfortable.
And our vacuum's already moving. We're going to select continue. You can turn on or off the voice assistant. And now you'll see right here, current vacuum stats, 98%. It's in process of returning to the station. We're just going to end that. And you'll see quick mapping was already in progress. So make sure you have everything set up and ready to go. It's going to want to do a quick map. But that's how you're going to set it up with the mobile app. Now we need to create a map, and we'll dive into the app features after it's done a couple of cleans. With a couple of cleans out of the way, you'll see we're back into the app with our map populated. You'll see a status of our vacuum, currently 100% charging. Mop pads are installed. Multiple ways to find the settings that we're going to go over. Some can be achieved by using the top right-hand corner icons. Others can be found down below. So up in the top, we can change our map view to 3D if we want. We can go into our video manager in our video mode right there. There's also a map icon. I just selected that. So if we have multiple floors, we can turn that on. Quick mapping. Then we can choose how to display our map. Then we have our maps, and we can edit the maps. So here's our map editing. If you want to add a virtual wall or barrier, you can do that right there. So we can select that. Do you want it just mop only or vacuum and mop? You get the idea of what you want to set up. So pick and choose how you want to use that. Then we have our labels for our rooms. We can rename and relabel things. We can divide our rooms. We can combine our rooms. And then we have our carpet settings right here if you need to edit that. It is smart enough to detect those different floor types. So that's how we can edit and modify our maps. Then we'll go back out. You'll see our main map right here. Very pleased with it overall. And don't have to edit it. It's great, just how it is. So then we have our station features. Empty dust, hot air drying, mop pad cleaning, self-cleaning. We can also toggle on child lock right there. So easy access. And then further down, we have our full cleaning options, general or customized settings. It's really up to you. So we'll start with general, and then down below, you'll see those same custom settings. So whole house clean, we can toggle on AI close if we want. So you can learn more about that, but basically it's going to learn the different room types in your house. We also have the ability, if we don't want to clean the whole house, we can just select a room and then start, or multiple rooms. Or we can do this little square plus, and then we can drag and drop certain areas. And we could have multiple areas. So hit the check mark and then just hit it again. So we can do that right there within the app. So basically spot, room, or whole house cleaning. Then our preferences, do you want to just do vacuum only? Do you want to just do mopping? Do you want to do vacuum and mop mode or mop after vacuuming? Up to you. We can adjust the vacuum power, the water flow level, how many times we want it to clean. Deep scrubbing. Then we can set a schedule for our vacuum. We have our smart cleaning settings right here. Do you want to turn on or enable continuous cleaning, do not disturb, quick cleaning, auto boost suction? That's going to be for carpets. Definitely recommend turning that on. Adjust your unit area and turn on or off obstacle avoidance. Then our suction settings, auto empty frequency, auto or smart, mop pad cleaning intervals, 10, 15, 25 minutes, or clean based off the order of room. Mop pad washing method, energy efficient hot water washing or deep washing. Don't wash the mop pads. 2, 3, or 4 hours for drying time. So a lot of customizable settings right here. Then we have our cleaning log. So take a look at the nice breakdown here, area and duration, graphed out for us, and then you'll see all of our last 6 months worth of cleaning. So let's go to our first full clean. There's the map. You'll see the layout there, how it navigates and where it exactly cleaned on our floors. So basically, we'll say 600 square feet in 90 minutes. Nice breakdown there. And then we have video log too. If you do home patrol at all, you can see those logs there. Then we have our language settings. Then we can hit more settings. There's our log again. We can view accessories and parts, learn more about when it's time to replace and conduct maintenance. Then we can set up customized cleaning scenarios here. If you want to do like a daily clean, after or post meal cleaning, you get the idea. We have our schedule settings again. Then we're back to our smart cleaning options we looked at. Same with our station settings. We have our voice assistant options here. Robot settings. We can go into our video manager mode there. Help section. And lastly, look at lab features. So you can toggle these on or off if you want. And then we can share and delete our vacuum. So those settings again at the bottom there, but also can be found at the top with that settings gear icon. Now let's look at our video manager. So to get in the video manager, again, just right on your homepage, looking at your DEEBOT X2, you can select Enter Video Manager. And you'll see we'll have to enter our password that you set up. Once the password is entered, you'll be into a live view of your vacuum, and then we can drive it around, which is super exciting. So we have our camera, arrival on command settings, patrol settings, voice call, and return to station. Look at up at the top. We have a couple image adjustments right here. So if you want a video recording status reminder, you can have a voice reminder or light reminder. And you'll see we have HDR settings right there too, which is pretty cool. We also have this map. So we can see this map and we can edit different points to go around when we go to our patrol settings. So let's start with patrol. And we'll let this go ahead and follow and check on our house for us. I love this. So sweet. So say maybe you're upstairs or, in another room sleeping, you hear a bang downstairs and your vacuum's on the same floor. Well, now you can just get out your phone, dispatch your vacuum, and it can do a home patrol for you. So in progress, it'll go to those set points you have and then do a 360 view. So now it's driving into the next room. Or maybe that's going to be the original spot for it. Hey, there's our other Yeti cube. So it's patrolling right now. I'm not driving it. It's doing its own thing. Pretty responsive. I'm impressed. So there we go. You see how it's documenting each area in that 360 rotation. Maybe we want to get the camera out, take a photo right there. We could take a video. We could start recording a video if we wanted. As it's driving. It's doing a good job too. Pretty harsh lighting environment with all that daylight coming in. Couple overhead lights. I mean, look at the window light there. Camera's much better quality than I thought it would be. There's the video, so we can save that too or discard it. And it's still processing the environment. So cool. Really neat. Call into the vacuum. Maybe your pet's on the couch or on the counter or on the table. Call in, tell it to get off. Maybe your kids are misbehaving. Whatever it may be. All done via Wi-Fi. Oh, look at that. We're going to go up to our original, our X1. Our X1 Omni right there, baby. Patrols for you, then makes its way right back home. There we go. Just finished. It's going to return to the station. It's just that simple. And if this wasn't clear enough earlier, if you don't want to do patrol with the preset points, just select arrival on command. And then you'll see we can add anywhere on the map that we want to go. So say maybe there's just one particular spot. Hey, I want to go over here. That's where my dog's bed is. I want to check on my pet. Maybe while you're at work, again, out of the house. Then just select go, and the vacuum will be dispatched to that location. All right, we've reached the designated location. And now if we want, we can rotate the vacuum. Take a look around. See what we need to see. And that's super responsive. There's no lag. I thought there'd be a little bit of lag. That might just depend on your Wi-Fi. That's doing a really nice job though. And this thing moves quickly. Cover a lot of ground. And then just send it back home when you're done. So that's a quick look at the Ecovacs DEEBOT X2 Omni using the Ecovacs Home app.